Wow.
Hi, I'm Stephen.
Give me a kiss. I'm Calee and we're taking a road trip around Jamaica.
Come with us. Ready.
Let's go check out the park.
Ready.
How you doing? Good. Let me see what we're going to do.
We'll start out and I'll try your, where is it? Where's the snapple? The escovitch fish.
Escovitch fish? Another excellent choice. Good. Are you a chef?
If Stephen might say so.
Well, that might be another webisode.
Alright.
Anyway, I will start with the pepper pot soup.
The pepper pot soup?
Yes.
Don't worry, it's not all as spicy as you think, alright?
Alright, I like it spicy though. I like it, I prefer it that way. There we go. What'd you order?
Lemonade. I love lemonade. Oh, this lemonade is beyond me.
That's good.
Yes, sir.
Can I have a cherry?
Yeah, sure.
This is why I put it down there for you guys to share it, you know?
But, I always get it for him. Yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Honey, you need to try it if you want to get to take a bite.
Wow. I mean, genuinely. Wow.
Okay, this is awesome.
Yeah, man. You gotta take it off.
I take it from your head now, okay. Yay! That's so cool.
Cool, thanks. Yeah.